What is up, YouTube? It is Mr. Rolldaddy here, and today we're going on a pretty cool shopping adventure. Yes, today I'm going to IKEA. A very exciting store full of a lot of exciting things, so let's get going. Alright, man, this is a giant elevator, and man, I'm already smelling some food that they've got. So, it's almost time to get going here. Alright. Door's huge. Let's go, baby. This is quite a model, this IKEA, I'm telling you. Wow. Alright, so next I am trying some of their food that they've got here. I've been to IKEA's before, but I've actually never tried their food, so here we go. So to start off, I've got the 12 kind of Swedish meatballs, broccoli, cranberry sauce, mashed potatoes, and I've got some salmon, and then I've got almond cake and some sort of other dessert. I think it's a chocolate coconut dessert, but hey, it's all a traditional Swedish meal, and I'm trying it right now. All right, here we go. My God, those Swedish meatballs are so good. Totally worth the hype. Man, I'm totally dipping those mashed potatoes in that Swedish meatball sauce too. I'm really liking them. Bunch of good stuff, I'm telling you. This main course is just amazing. Alright, next up I am trying the salmon. Definitely sprinkled some of that lemon on. Here we go with that. Really some of the best salmon I've ever had. It's really all the way up there with that Riverside buffet with some of the best salmon I have ever tried. Alright, dinner's done. Time to move on to desserts. First, we're doing the almond cake. Here we go. Oh, the heck is this 340 calories? How? I mean, this is so good. I don't think there's any way this is 340 calories, but it's what the sign says, and if that's somehow right, it's so good for a low-calorie dessert. Next up, these chocolate coconut things. So, here we go. Not as good as the almond cake, but man, they're very good. I don't know what this type of chocolate is, but I don't think I've ever tasted this type of chocolate before, and my God, it is just very good. It's still not going to rank it as good as that almond cake. That almond cake was just so good. I got one more slice, and for later, for another day, I got a dark chocolate candy bar. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and eat my Final slice of this almond cake, because this one was really just the best thing of everything I ate today. Gee, this bathroom set is quite nice. Wow. Again, I'll definitely review this whenever I get around to eating it. Wow, this bathroom set, pretty amazing if you're asking me. Holy faucets, wow. Holy faucets, really. Can't believe how great all these look. Now I can't tell if this is real or for display, but this cake looks pretty good, and so does this thing. This living room looks pretty cool. Do like the display of this quite a bit. Kitchen is looking very nice too. I mean, this would be a one hell of a kitchen to have, and wow, quite well done, I will say. Jeez. How is all this all for under $89? It's crazy. Wow. I really like the look of this one too. Nice lighting, very spacious, cool walls. Quite a lot to like here. This one though, I really do kind of like these wooden walls. Chairs look very nice too. I will say though, this kitchen is one I'm just really liking the design of. Especially with the living room right there. Another one I'm liking. Design's just very good. Certainly will say, I do wish a lot of the stuff from here was free though. Oh, this is another good thing. Food's good for you, good for the planet. Very happy I helped out the planet and my body today. Alright. I'm just going all over the place here. It's like a huge maze, and I'm just asking, why is IKEA like the casino? It's a huge trap, so hard to get out of, no windows. It's like a casino, I'm telling you. Jeez, this thing is quite furry. I don't know what that is, but it's furry. Alright, this escalator is quite cool though. Really is something. You can get the shopping carts on here. It's like you're going down an incline on a treadmill in some way. But anyways, I'm back. The store is closed. And because the store is closed, I'm now headed home. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again next time. I'll definitely have to review this candy bar soon. And have a great day, everyone. Thank you for watching.